This video is designed especially for the student who are facing problem solving question related to the circle and sector. So after finishing of this video, you will be able to get command over what is radius and then what is diameter and circumference. These three are quite easy, and then most of the time the student face problem to find the sector, arc length, perimeter of circle, perimeter of sector, area of circle, area of sector, and then finally area of triangle in a circle. So after finishing of this video, you will be able to learn these 10 objective you can find. So go through this video comprehensively. After this, you will face no problem solving question related to this topic. So let's start. What is radius, diameter and circumference? It can be taught in just one video, quite easy. It is the center of the circle. The distance between center of the circle to the boundary of the circle is radius, and if it is, suppose radius is r, it is 2 centimeter, so diameter would be double of it, or diameter is the length, it is also radius, and these two make diameter. Actually diameter is the maximum distance within the circle. These two lines are joining the length of the circle, but this line is not diameter. It is not diameter, but the diameter is the line which passes through the center and touch the circumference of the circle or the boundary of the circle right now. So radius is there and the diameter is there. So if radius is 2 centimeter, diameter must be 4 centimeter, or we can say D is equal to 2R. What is circumference? Circumference is the length of the circle. This is circumference. Circumference, and we find the, so if R is equal to radius, R is radius, D is diameter, and S is circumference is equal to 2 pi R. So pi is equal to 3.142 and R is equal to radius. Okay, now these three things can be found: radius, diameter and circumference by the formula sector. So what is sector basically? Sector is basically formation of a sector shape. This shape, it is bounded by 2 radius and the arc length. This length, a portion of the circumference which is cut by 2 radius, it is called arc length. It is arc length. So arc length and it is radius. This must be some angle. So in sector is consist of radius plus arc length plus radius, and we can write like this. This is sector, radius, angle and arc length. This can be written as minor sector. One more sector is formed here. This is arc, and it is major sector. How we can find the area, perimeter of sector in next slide? We will discuss it comprehensively. Okay, so move to the next. Next objective is arc length. Arc length we have discussed here. It is radius, and it is radius. It is angle. So this is the arc length. R length is basically, if I highlight this, this is the only, this length of the circle or the part of the circle, this is arc length. And how can we find the arc length? So arc length is equal to theta degree, there will be sine angle, upon 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. So this is the formula of finding the arc length. As the radius increase, length of arc is increased as well. So it is quite easy. Now move to the next. It is perimeter of circle. So perimeter of circle is basically the length of circle. So length of circle is all this line, this blue line. So how long it is? So it is length of circle. And how can we find this? It is by 2 pi r. Formula is 2 pi r. Pi is 3.142 and r is radius. So it is center. And there must be some radius given. So we can find the length of the circle, and it is perimeter of circle. Now number 7 is perimeter of sector. Now again, if it is center of circle and we detach a sector from the circle, so there must be some angle. Suppose it is 100 degree and we have to find the perimeter. So what will be included in perimeter? These two length and this arc length. So it is radius, Suppose radius is 5 centimeter. So it is 5 centimeter as well, and the length is 100 degree. So what will be the perimeter? So perimeter must be perimeter of the sector must be radius plus arc length plus radius. Number 1, number 2 this arc length, and number 3 this radius. So the whole boundary is the perimeter of sector. And what you have to find is, suppose it is 5, so it must be 5 plus arc length is theta upon 360 multiplied by 2 pi r plus 5, or we can write theta as 100 degree. So when we simplify it, we can find the total perimeter of the sector. Now in next, area of circle, quite easy. What is the total area of circle? If it is 0 or over the center of circle, radius is say 5 centimeter, so the area must be area of circle must be equal to pi r square, and it is quite easy. If r is 5, so it will be 5 square. So when we solve this, we will find the area of circle here. Now area of sector. So the area of sector will be, we have to form this here. Suppose it is 100 degree, radius is equal to 5 centimeter. Now the area is this is the area. So area of sector is, area of sector must be equal to theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square. So theta is 100 divided by 360, degree multiplied by pi is 3.142 multiplied by r is 5 to the square. So when we solve this, we will find the area of this sector. Now number 10, area of triangle and circle. Actually area of triangle is, area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied by base multiplied by height. But suppose a triangle is formed here. Suppose this is a sector radius 5 centimeter, and we have to find the area of this triangle. This is a triangle, 5 centimeter, and the it is 100 degree. So this formula apply over right angle triangle, where one angle is of 90 degree. So if the angle is 100 degree, so we have to apply the formula of area of triangle 1 upon 2 multiply by A multiply by B multiply by sine theta. So 1 upon 2, A and B is the length, A and B. It is not always the same, but because in a circle, so radius is always same, that is why we write 5 multiply by 5 multiply by sine, and theta is 100. So when we solve this, we will find the area of triangle this. Suppose there is one more triangle. This is 4 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, and this is say 80 degree. So we can find the area of this triangle. It is not in the circle because these two are not same. When the two are same, it must be a circle. So when two are not same, we can find the area of triangle. Area of triangle by 1 upon 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 4 multiply by sine 80. In my next video, I am sure you will learn something more and new. So keep stay with us. Thank you.